In this video, I'm going to break down what exactly happened on this trade that we took and end up being a loss. All right, so make sure to watch to the very end and see exactly what happened in this video. All right, so let's get started right now. So you can see that this trade was actually forecasted before all that happened. So you can see that right here we had a nice rally-based drop with a break of structure, and then the market continued to go to the downside. And then you can see that we left with some sort of liquidity right here. So what we were anticipating was for the market to pull back into this area. As you can see right here, we were left with big momentum candles, which we're always looking for, right? And you can see that after the market came to our area right here, we actually waited for the market to give us a reaction from our end right here. And then once we had our confirmation, we were able to execute this trade. So this was a 10 pips stop loss and 380 pips target. It was a massive trade, about 1 to 40 risk reward ratio. However, as you can see from here, let me just take you to the 1 minute time frame. So the market gave us a nice reaction. However, it didn't go in our direction. So you can see that right here. Let me just show you in a minute. So you can see that once the market came to our area right here, it reacted, then giving us a break of this low right here. And then as the market was coming here, it was showed me a little bit of reaction, and that's when I was able to execute this trade. However, as you can see, this trade didn't go in our direction, and we ended up losing this trade. This way there was a potential 1 to 40 risk reward ratio, quite a tight stop loss, and a massive take profit right here. I was looking for sales right here because of this. Let me just show you. So you can see that from here we've seen the market putting up lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then the market left these big momentum candles right here. So whenever we have such, we always expect price to react from those levels right there. You can see that this was a big momentum candle. It left behind a lot of inefficiency candles and everything. So usually this works out. However, in this particular case, this didn't go in our direction, and there's no way we would have known this in advance. That's the reason why you always have to make sure that you're predefining your stop loss, know exactly how much you're standing to lose on a trade by trade basis. Calculate, make sure, don't take any trade without actually understanding how much you're standing to lose on any particular trade. And then make sure that you're following your strategy every time. So if you ask me, if this same setup appeared again right now, I would take it. Why? Because these are the same setups that I always take. I'm sure you guys remember this week recently we had a beautiful trade on gold. This same trade we can see right here. This is exactly a same replica of the same trade. However, this worked out, and then this didn't work out. So there's nothing you can do right there. You have no idea which one is going to work out. So at the end of the day, it's all about executing your setup every time it appears. Remember, the outcome of every trade is random. The setup may be the same, but the outcome of every individual trade is always random. So we're always dealing with randomness and probability. So your job and my job is to simply identify the edge, execute. Identify the edge, execute. The outcome is outside our control. So I just wanted to share this trade right here because maybe some of you think that we don't lose, but I usually post about losing trades as well. So I'm sure you've actually seen them. So I just want to post this here so that you can actually learn one or two things, right? So it's always important to predefine your risk, follow the strategy every time, and in the long run, you're going to be profitable as long as you have a larger sample size kind of mindset where you're thinking in probability, not on a trade by trade basis. All right. So you guys